Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending when you see that video. Today, I talk about the present perfect indefinite past of the unit 10. I try to explain the that that title we in the some little time. Start with that. Who is the present perfect tense? That describe actions or events that occur in an indefinite time in the past. In that form, you don't know in what moment the event passed, and if you don't have some information important. In that case, the form are subject plus has or have plus past participle of the verb. That form of verb only is the ID in the final because it's the past. Okay, let's see. Talk about the examples of the present perfect indefinite past statements. They have visited Egypt. Positive time. Okay, a negative example. She has not been there. A statement with adverbs. She has recently been there. Negative. They have not visited Egypt lately. In that examples, have and has have a contraction. Have, haven't, has, hasn't. Yes or no question. Have they even visited Egypt? Or WH question. How often have they visited Egypt? Short answers of that questions is yes, they have, or no, they haven't. This is the short answers. Talk about of some grammar notes. That is important to use a correct that title. To use the present perfect, you don't need identified or have the exact time because, for example, when you talk about traveling, for example, I say I travel to 10 countries. You don't know who country or in what time because it's an indefinite time. It's past. You don't know who countries I visited, and you don't know in what time. That is the correct use of that title. Uh, we can also use the present perfect with adverbs. You can affirm the times to know, for example, twice, often, recently, lately. You can use that adverbs to complete your sentence. For example, I say, okay, I have always wanted to go to Rome, but I never gone. It's a good sentence. For example, we have often staying at a hotel. I say, okay, I say often. You know, you don't say how much time, but you say often, mm, two twice in the week, one time in the month, one time in the year. In the three grammar notes, the word order in the sentence with the present perfect and adverbs. For example, I have been many times. You don't know how many times, but I say many times. You don't know is one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. I think you don't know, but in the indefinite time, you don't explain that. You know, time to exercise. I I do some exercise to that. For example, in that case, with that pictures and what that verse, I complete the sentence with that verse. Okay, let's see. I try to complete some statement here with the picture. I can say it in the number two. She has traveled to Egypt. Or in the picture number 4, she has stayed in outer Roma recently. In that case, with that form, with the past, with the present perfect indefinite past, you don't explain all the sentence because it's indefinite past. In that case, you tell some information of your, for example, in that case, with of your business, of your travel, of your life, but you don't explain too much, only the necessary. I hope you learn some things in that class. I try to do the best, but thank you so much. To see you. Bye bye.